Welcome to the channel, everyone. The 2026 Ford Mustang Pickup is the boldest reinvention of an American icon. For decades, the Mustang has stood as the ultimate symbol of performance, freedom, and power on the open road. But Ford has now taken that spirit and infused it with the rugged strength and versatility of a pickup truck, creating something the automotive world never saw coming. The result is a machine that merges the muscle of a pony car with the utility of a workhorse, a perfect harmony of speed and strength. From the moment you set eyes on the Mustang Pickup, you know this is not just another truck. Its front fascia carries the familiar Mustang aggression, with sharp LED headlights, a sculpted hood, and the iconic galloping horse emblem at the center. The rear, however, introduces something completely new, an athletic truck bed designed with aerodynamic curves and quad exhausts that announce its power before it even roars to life. Every line, every vent, every angle is crafted to make a statement. This vehicle doesn't just sit in a showroom, it demands attention wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2026 Mustang Pickup carries serious muscle. Ford offers multiple powertrain options, starting with a twin turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 producing over 480 horsepower, and an optional hybrid V8 delivering an astonishing 700 horsepower. With all-wheel drive and a 10-speed automatic transmission, this beast launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, numbers that put it in supercar territory. Yet it's not all about speed. The truck bed can handle heavy-duty tasks, offering best-in-class towing capacity and a reinforced composite liner for durability. It's a perfect fusion of wild performance and real-world practicality. Step inside and you'll find that the interior is pure Mustang luxury. Reimagined for the modern adventurer, the cockpit-style design wraps around the driver. With premium leather seats, digital instrumentation, and a massive 15-inch infotainment screen running Ford's latest sync interface. Every detail reflects both performance and comfort. The flat-bottom steering wheel, ambient lighting, and carbon fiber accents make it feel like a supercar on the inside. Even the truck bed integrates smart storage systems and power outlets, making it as functional as it is beautiful. The 2026 Mustang Pickup isn't just a showpiece, it's built to perform in any environment. Ford's engineers tuned its suspension for both city, cruising, and off-road excitement. Adaptive dampers adjust instantly to the terrain, and selectable drive modes let you switch between sport, track, and trail with ease, whether you're racing down a highway or exploring mountain roads. The Mustang Pickup delivers confidence, control, and pure excitement. In a world where performance cars and pickups often live in separate worlds, Ford has done the impossible, uniting them. The 2026 Ford Mustang Pickup redefines what it means to be a modern performance vehicle. It's daring,